Oh, what's up, homies? I didn't see you there. Today I'm gonna play Platinum Adventure by Jerry Bronze 5. So this is really easy demon, but I hate the beginning part because I always forget about those stupid portals trolls. Yeah, like this. And nice. Oh. No! That was bad. Look at that background, it looks nice. Nice, that was really easy. How many attempts? Oh, 100. I expected like 50, but I think like I died like 40 times on that stupid portal part. I can't like it because I think, I don't know actually why. I'm pretty sure I didn't like this level. Maybe I did like it on another account, because if you like it once on computer, then you can't another time on other account. But that was Easy Demon, so that's everything for today. Goodbye.